If you are looking for an engaging way to teach the Book of Ruth to your upper elementary or middle school students, this interactive survey takes students on a chapter by chapter journey through a story that teaches kindness, favor, and ultimately redemption. In chapter 1, students gather around for a children's story style retelling of Ruth. Using a suitcase and a storage box, they sort words representing what Naomi's family took with them to Moab and what they left behind. Students also begin building the first panel of a four-part board game, one for each chapter in Ruth. In Chapter 2, students engage in a hands-on popcorn gleaning simulation, where they take turns being gleaners and reapers using different utensils to pick up either popcorn or the kernels. They complete the worksheet What Ruth Found to discover what Ruth actually found in the fields, and then complete the second game board panel, Field of Provision. In Chapter 3, students participate in a unique reader's theater. As Ruth, Naomi, and Boaz speak their lines, other students read the characters' hidden thoughts aloud. Students are then introduced to the important role of the Kinsman Redeemer and prepare the third panel, Steps of Faith. In Chapter 4, students color code the text while tracing the theme of redemption, discovering how Naomi was restored, and how Ruth became part of the lineage of King David. Then they complete the final panel, Restored and Redeemed. Finally, students connect Boaz's role as Redeemer to Jesus, learning how he provides, protects, prevents eternal separation from God, and produces new life in believers. To conclude the study, students tape all four panels together and play a collaborative review game as they race to collect Kinsman Redeemer tokens and reach the finish line.